Nested in the deep ghats of Maharastra lies a hidden paradise, Kumbhe Waterfall, one of the best waterfalls in Sahyadri. Today I am going to show you how it feels to climb the tip and enjoy the most beautiful view of the waterfall. Today we are heading towards Kumbhe Waterfall, which is in Raigad district of Maharashtra. It's 115 kilometers away from Pune and 150 kilometers away from Mumbai. We left early morning from Pune and started our journey towards Raigad.
See where we are going and what we are doing.
If you are coming from Pune, you have to cross Tamhini Ghat to reach Raigad. On the same route, you can find Devkund Waterfall and Raigad Fort. The route which we had taken was completely scenic and we stopped there and took some drone shots. As we were near to the waterfall, it started raining and the place was completely covered by mist. The most exciting part was to cross the tunnel and reach the waterfall. More than 200-meter long tunnel takes you to the base point. So finally we are here at Kumbhe Waterfall. As you can see, the waterfall is completely covered by the mist and there is no visibility towards the waterfall. So it's around 10:30. We are waiting to take some drone shots if the fog get clears. So we'll wait for another half an hour.
So we took one shot, very detailed shot, which was not so clear. So we are waiting. We'll wait up to maybe 1.5 hours. We'll wait more and we'll see if the fog clears and we'll get a better shots, or we'll try coming next time. So we are. So guys, we have waited for around 30 minutes and some half of the fog got clear. We are planning to go for the route which you have seen in many videos. We are trying to go there. The ridge is a little lower than the waterfall. If the fog clears, we'll try to go down and we'll take some very beautiful drone shots.
So we are heading towards the ridge. You can see the fog has a little bit reduced.
Ridge ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ. ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಬ್ರೋ, ಟ್ರೈಲ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ, ಹೆವಿ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಹಿಂಗೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ರಿಡ್ಜು. ಹಾಂ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗೆ ದಾರಿ ನೋಡಿ, ದಾರಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಾರಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಹಿಂಗೋಗಿ ಹಿಂಗೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಬಟ್ covered. We'll try to go, but it's very risky now if the rain comes suddenly. Hey!
Now the fog is getting cleared. We'll try to go to that point.
I have to climb these peaks to reach here. It's very difficult while trekking. I just went to that ridge. If it's raining, it's very difficult. Okay, we are landing the drone. Yes. Bro. Oh. Bro, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ? ಬ್ರೋ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಬ್ರೋ ಹೋಯ್ತು ಬ್ರೋ, ಮುಂದೆ ಇಳಿಸಿ ಒಂಚೂರು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಬನ್ನಿ. ತಿಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ.
So this was all about Kumbhe. If you like the video, hit like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.
Wow!
Umbrella.